Hello everyone, welcome back to the next adjustment layer, that's photo filter adjustment layer. This is a simple adjustment layer. You can use the photo filter command to apply photo filters to your image, adding special effects. In the old days, photographers used to place colored glass filters in front of their camera lens to adjust the color temperature of the light. They did this to either warm up or cool down photos, or to just add a hint of color for special effects. This replaces such kind of things, or the photo filter. Actually, this is really simple interface with a filter than a solid color, and also we can adjust the density. Then we have preserve luminosity preserving option that we can check and uncheck. So let's start from the filters. We have a couple of filters available. Actually, filters are the major part of the adjustment. So the first one is warming filter. We have a couple of values, then some numbers or something denoted over here. We have 3 warming filters. Actually, this adjusts the white balance in an image to make the colors warmer or more yellow or orange color. These two. Let's change to LBA, or the next one, warming filter 81. I can feel a small deviation in this. Then let's change to the cooling filters. So what is cooling filter? Adjust the white balance. Also, that's instead of making the colors warmer, they make colors cooler, or just like a blue color. Cool means ice, or ice giving ice. We're cooling that, or blue color. Let's change to cool. Look at that, there is a bluish color, and also the color change to blue. Well, then next go the blue filter LB, then 80 value. Okay, I think you can feel the difference. Then the next colors is red, orange, yellow colors, and we have a couple of colors this here. This various color filter adjusts the hue or color of a photo. Choose a color filter to try eliminate a color cast or to apply special effects. So let's change into orange. Change to orange color. Then green goes green. Then cyan. Where's magenta? Let's move to violet. Sorry. Violet. Well. Yes, sepia. Okay, this is filters, and also we have a solid color selector here. Here you can select any color. Let's go with the black. Yes, there's a change. Even if I select the black color. Anyway, let's move into blue. Then the density. What is density is denoted here. Actually, it allows you to adjust the density option, the amount of color applied to image. When it keeps higher, look at that, it look more brighter, or it's higher in contrast. When you keep it down, it goes light in color, less intensive. Then we have preserve luminosity option to prevent the photo filter from darkening your image. When I keep it here and go back, it become more darker, and I hold here, look at that. So this is all about the photo filter. Just you can keep a color texture in your image. Maybe it's help to white balance, or not, maybe might be warming, cooling, then adding colors. Keep it in mind. So I'm winding up this section. Thank you.